reggae music to the cattle as he swings, back and forward in the saddle on a horse. That is syncopated, gated, and there's such a funny meter to the roar of his repeater. How they run when they hear that fellow's gun, because the Western folks all know he's a highfalutin, scootin', shootin' son of a gun from Arizona, ragtime cowboy Joe. In Arizona where the bad men are, the only thing that guides you is the evening star. The roughest, toughest man by far is ragtime cowboy Joe. He got an infant singing to the cows and sheep. Every night they say he sing the herd to sleep. In a bass so rich and deep, crooning soft and low, he always...
Come on down to Grandpa's Jeff. We'll have a great old time.